good afternoon, good evening, um, to another day of coding every day until I get a job. I still want to continue to fix the website. I feel like I feel so terrible yesterday. I don't know why that the 3D model would appear there. Like the positioning is just messed up, but I I really hope I could fix it, or if it's unfixable, I'm just gonna put my own. Website. I feel like I feel so terrible yesterday. I don't know why. Yeah, okay. That the 3D model would appear there. Like the positioning is just messed up, but I yeah, I don't know how come the position is so messed up, but let's get it running. Oops. So the thing is, I need to really go ask the other the client, aka the founder. Sorry. Um, whether or not that's fine by them to make it that way. Okay. Okay. I know my RAM usage is gonna go crazy because of course I'm using VS Code, but because I think I still unable to properly set up the NeoVim, but yeah, so basically the card before was like so low that it's not in like the position where I want it to be, and it's just so irritating. So I think for this project props, we don't need to make it 3D. What we can do is just, I guess, make it how I want it to be with the projects. Okay. So, and I don't know. I guess I'd like to fix some of the buttons as well. Um, so yeah, I want to put like the clients, like example client here, and then this is just a text. I'll probably would ask the other for an opinion on that, and this is the form. I actually quite like the form, so it's very simple. It's very straightforward. Um, the project part is going to be the a bit the hard part because I need to make like another page, and I think I need to use either React Router or other pages just so that I could have like a different page than this. Although I'm not sure how that would work, but we'll see about that. Like because I really want to make another page, right? And I think I need a React Router for that, but let's try to like put the project part here first. I think that would be cool. So yeah, that's the goal for today's stream. Let's yeah. So the component that I want to make is yeah, it's inside Firebase Studio. Yeah, I mentioned it yesterday that I have an idea. I thought of it on the train. It's kind of similar to what Wawa Sensei did, but I kind of want to style it differently and have it animate differently. But then, since it's the 3D part and it's messed up, I think I'm just gonna scratch the 3D part and just, yeah, I think I need to commit. I think I need to commit first before starting with the projects because I think we can commit it first just to make sure that I saved the fixing the interface and everything. But yeah. Motion, yeah, the last commit was like a few days ago, which is not that good. Okay. We also add the cursor animation, but I just realized how annoying it is. And I don't know if I want to keep that because it's not really a good user experience. See, it's creative, it's fun, but I don't know, it's kind of annoying to be honest. So yeah, see? And I know the image is still so big, so I think I'm gonna ask uh, or find a way to load them like faster, even though it's like 200 megabyte file. So I think there is a much better approach on doing this. But yeah, I quite like this, like tiny animation, things like this. And I think it's totally fine for now. Oh, oops, sorry. That was not supposed to be there, but yeah. Okay, I think for the cursor, we can just keep it that way. So I think let's just commit it first. Add cursor, add fonts, fix, style, forms. I think what I did. Yeah. Let's commit. Oh wait, cancel. Let's save this first. Yeah. Let's stage them. Yeah. Good. Yeah, I just realized how VS Code really makes the Git integration very easy. I know using the terminal would be more professional and things like that, but I don't know, using this, it's. I think I'm used to the graphic to the GUI and everything. But yeah, okay. So let's try to make the component like something like this. Although that starting part, I think I want to fix that. So, but I guess we can try to do that. Okay, so how should we do this? I mean, yeah, it's quite okay. Like, okay, let's try to copy paste this to the exact same thing here, but with a different, let's close it everything first. Okay. Okay, so we already have CSS. Look, okay, I think I just need to change this. What's the type? Does it have a type? Yeah. Okay. I need to refactor a lot of it then, but it's fine. We can try to do that. How can we do that here? Yeah. Items of Polaroid items. Huh. That's a bit complex, but I think okay. Okay. Cons projects equals to. We don't need to export this then. We can just do this. We can just do that and then save. So, okay, no. Okay, this is correct. Cons project. It's going to be the default like project that we're gonna export. Sorry, I forgot the. Yeah. We don't need this because yeah, we don't need this because it's going to be inside projects array, and then we could just add type of images source. Yeah, we can add the source later, which is the okay. We're gonna add a lot of new things. So whenever we click the image, I want it to go to that designated page that will show the photos, the videos of that certain client. Yeah, I don't think I could finish this in a week. 2-3 weeks tops. Like, damn, okay. But okay. It's fine, we can do it. Sorry, no cons. Why do I need cons like that? Okay. Yeah. Okay, we just need to return. Hey, let's do. I think it's going to be section again. Let's just do div. Div is fine. And h1, that says our work, our projects, our what should be named? Okay, let's just say our clients. We can change that later. And it's going to have a Polaroid wheel. Okay, the Polaroid wheel is what we're gonna make up top here. Cool. Okay. I think rather than copy pasting, I wanna try to. Yeah, I really wanna try to. Polaroid wheel. Yeah. Just to see if my item count equals to item. So, god damn it. Okay, wait. No, let's do. So items, it's basically going to be that. Items is it's going to be this one basically, because yeah, because we pass this prop over here, items, which is the Polaroid items, which is going to be this. I will make the formatting a bit similar. That's why I'm gonna need to change a lot of the variables, but okay. I think for the logic, it should stay the same. Okay. I'm gonna turn off my mouse just so that I could practice the. I want to turn off my mouse just so that I could practice the film motion. Okay, visible items. Let's set it to 3 as well. Const total items equals to item. Actually, yeah, haven't really checked how the Gemini did this, but I guess we can go through it one by one. Okay, the item count is the total like arrays, like in the arrays. Sorry, I'm touching the mouse again. I'm not touching the mouse. We have total items equals to item count visible to. Okay, I think total items including. Okay, sorry, I need to check. What's this one? Couldn't clone ones. Okay, maybe some. Okay, maybe this total item is what makes it. Okay, we'll see. Okay. We'll ask the other Gemini to fix it because const initial center index equals to visible items. Okay, I think someone has already made this before. That's why it knows. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I think this next item is something wrong with the something wrong with the index. Let's try to. Okay, if center index bigger than the item count, plus visible length times 2 minus 1. 6. What is it? That. Okay. I don't understand it yet. If center in. What is it? Times 2, yeah. Set center index equal pref index again. Pref index minus 1 here if center index is lower equals to 0, which is the first one. Okay, we could do that. This is the one that recommends civil items and just okay, cool. Let's see. Okay. Once get item at index equals to index, let normalize index equals to index. Damn, okay, I can't understand why people use split keyboards. This is starting to hurt, and I'm only been doing this for 15 minutes. Damn. Okay. Okay, I understand why. So I've been seeing a lot on my YouTube recommendation about like split keyboards and like how ergonomics it is. I just realized me doing it like this. I don't know if you can see it, but like this, it really starting to hurt. Like, okay, I can see why. Like, if it's more like here, okay, of course, because my position is also terrible. Like, this is a kitchen table, by the way. Like, I don't have it's not even like a proper desk. But basically, yeah, I can understand why people would want a more ergonomics like this, where their hand is a bit apart. Okay, if I get monetized, hopefully this year, the first thing I'm gonna do is became an open source contributor, like actually like not donate, like at least like, you know, because yes, I will try to donate to like open source projects. I think the first is OBS, because without OBS I wouldn't be able to stream this. And I think yeah, I'll see what I don't know which one should I donate, but that, and then if I get a job making the 3D website, I'll join Wawa Sensei's like YouTube club or something. I don't know what's it called, but membership, things like that. But yeah, and probably get, or you know what? Let's do DIY, like split keyboard, because damn, this is starting to hurt, and I'm only doing this for 15 minutes. Okay, I don't know if the camera is working again because YouTube freezes. Okay, I think my CPU usage is and the RAM usage is way too much. God damn. Okay. What? Visual Studio Code only took 500 What? Oh, okay. No, running the what? Oh, okay, wait. Maybe okay, you know what? Let's try to let's check. Let's try to not use any extension. Okay. ES7 plus. ES7. Okay, let's uninstall this because uninstall this. I already have the ES7 plus. Jupyter key map. Vim. We want to use Vim. WSL. We want to. Okay, it's not that much. Okay, let's see which one is enabled. I think I just need to. Do I need better comments? C. I'm not doing any C++ right now, but I don't know. What is the difference between remote SSH and remote SSH? Okay, this is for I'm not touching anything with this. The one enabled is not even that much. WSL, Vim, and all of this, GitHub Copilot, better comments, auto rename tag, and that's it. Uh, it's not even the other is not even in like. Okay, maybe see it's very light. I don't know why it took so much. Okay, maybe let's try to shut this off and let's see if there's any changes because the camera on my OBS is not working. Okay. Okay, cool. I already shut this off. Oh, I cannot because I'm opening the WSL in the terminal. Okay, okay. You know what? It's fine. It's fine. Yeah. That makes sense. Oh no, I get it. Why this only take 500 because the other is opening because I'm opening the. God damn it. Okay, it's just the same. Okay, I guess I just need to check whether or not the stream is still going. Yeah, because for some reason the preview in my OBS just froze, but I think it's still going. Check whether or not the stream is still going. Yeah, it's still going. Okay, good. Okay, sorry. Let's go back here. Okay, we have a div. Center relative h 500 px and then margin y 8 mx dash auto overflow. Okay, I think the LSP is no overflow hidden. It's not installed for some reason. Let's just install one extension, which is CSS IntelliSense, because it will. Oh, it's not installed on Ubuntu. Okay, let's install it then. Cool. Okay, nice. Now I think we should have. Yeah, I think we should have the IntelliSense by now. I think the div is not working because I have this. Cool, okay. Left arrow, I would assume that symbol is. Okay, let's assume that's the symbol. There we go. Oh, and our dear moderator suggests as I play some background music, but okay, let's do like lo-fi, no copyright. Because it says that it's boring when I'm thinking and not talking. I hope it's not too loud. YouTube, please do not copyright this. Yeah, it says that it's not copyrighted. And I'm playing it from YouTube Music, which I paid, so. How about that? Is that better? Nobody's watching anyway, so it's fine. Array constructor. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna copy paste. Never mind. But change the other later. Or you know what? It's fine. Let's try to understand and dissect this div. It has a class name of rel if, which means it follows the parents. A width of 1000 pixels. That means it's Hello, Taha. How are you doing? I am being consistent with it. I have to be consistent because if not, I hope my audio is working because the OBS freezes and I couldn't really see if I'm working or not. But yeah, I have to be consistent because if not, I am just gonna not get the job or anything actually. So what I'm trying to do is just trying to move this component that I try to like I have an idea of it, but then at the time I was at the train and I couldn't really think or like I couldn't have I don't know like a ways to code it, so I tried to use Firebase Studio on my iPad, and then yeah, it's prompt a few things and it creates this component, and that's is what I want to transfer into the project. Hopefully it works. Okay. Damn, this is crazy. Okay. Relative index is equals to 0. It's going to be opacity on 100, and then if not, it's going to be opacity 70. I just like I think a few months ago I just knew that I can like conditionally rendered some Tailwind CSS classes with this, and it's very cool. Like you don't need JavaScript or like you don't need functions for this. It's just like an if-else ternary operation in Tailwind. So that's very very cool. Okay. What's the next step? Although yeah, it's very long. That's why we need the oh shit. We need the monitor, big monitor for like Tailwind. Is the index. Here, style would be. And could you let me know if the music is too loud or not? I tried to play some lo-fi music because the moderator asked me to play some music because it's when I'm like not talking because it's a bit boring if I'm not saying anything. When I'm at least thinking or like trying to think. There's no music. Okay, wait. I think it's I can hear it. I don't think you guys could hear it. Wait, yeah. I think it's How about now? Hello Rajib, how are you? If is the music like can you hear the music? Is it too loud or is it just fine? It's very faint. Okay, maybe I'll make it a bit louder. So sorry. It's just that I don't want it to be too loud, and it says not copyrighted. I don't want to get copyrighted. But what about now? Very faint sound. Okay, wait, let me make it louder. How about now? Like I want it to be just a background noise that it, like you can hear it but not too much. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. This is trying to make sure it's not too loud. This is getting very complicated. Too much nested divs. Okay. Okay, that's the end of that div. Hello, hello, Yahoo, how are you? Okay, I don't know what just happened. Okay, wait. I don't know what just happened. Okay, I add this div. Okay, let's try to. Okay, Flux Coal. It will have the item dot type. Okay, we don't have type yet, but we will make that into our we'll make sure that to fix some of these item with src, it's going to have an alt, of course. Going to have with item dot title. Sorry, it's not that. It's not what we want. It's going to have a class name of dash full. Nope. Okay, sorry for being silent. I'm just trying to make sure I didn't miss anything because this nested loops, this nested divs is very complicated. And I'm trying to make sure that it's okay. Okay, inside of the video tag, we have some source tag. Which is a self-closing one, which has type, which is video slash mp4. Okay, cool. So if I remember correctly, this div is for the Polaroid-like divs for like the images and or videos from like for like the clients or the projects that they've done. So let's see if I made it correctly. This is supposed to go here, but that means I have an extra that is not yet to be filled. Okay. Something like this one, right? Yeah. Okay. I am so confused right now. Wait. Video. Okay, we've done with the video source. Why is this video still there? There's supposed to be only one. Okay, that's not good. Whose tag this belongs to? Belongs to item. Okay. Yeah, it's correct. That means why do we have this extra? Do we need to do that? Okay, cool. And then we have another div. X center. Cool. Okay, it's just going to be. Oh, yeah, that's actually that. Okay, just that. Do this. Save it. Okay. It's gonna be item titles. This is for the titles. We close it with this div, and below we have the closing div, and below it is another div that doesn't auto tag for some. Okay. I don't know why it doesn't do that by itself. Salute bottom. What is bottom 2? Oh, I think it's for the position. Right through turbo 12, age 12. And it's going to be an image, which is self-closing tags. SFC equals the item logo. It's going to be alt equals to can it be that? Okay, let's just do w dash full age dash full. It's object contain because we do not want it to overload. Cool. Okay, let's close this a div, close this a div. We add that. Okay, no, that's not it. We add that. We have this triple divs, and we have another button. Okay, we have two divs here, correct? This, and this. Now we have the right button. That's actually correct, yes. No, okay. Okay, we have a button with the same class name as that, but I think it's on the right. Right. Transmission colors. Transition colors, correct. On click next items. RAR button div. Okay. That's correct. Now what I need to do is just to fix the type. Okay. Okay, we'll see. Okay, I want to check it's playing or not. Oops. Nope. I just want to go to the link to check again if it's working. Okay. Hello, hello. I can only reply from here, so yeah. I can reply from the OBS chat, which is sucks. But yeah, there we go. It works. Now let's try to fix it. First, they're still using the type because there's yeah, images and everything. So what we need to do is okay, let's just change the project to just so that it could have Polaroid items and can include items. Polaroid items. Okay, no, it won't work because so we have type, we have let's change the client to title. That means we can do alt hold, alt client, alt. Sorry, let's do that. I still don't know how to do multi-cursor in Vim, but I'm gonna look it up. How to do multi-cursor in Vim? Oh, because to be honest, I could use this command and change every title, but it's fine. It's fine. Yeah. There's no. Yeah. Okay. Not important. So we wouldn't need the image because the image came from the source, right? Yes. All the URL is supposed to be source now. Yep. Now it should be similar type, title. Yeah, it's the same type, title, SRC and logo. Although this will be like a dynamic link later, or like from a bucket, hopefully. Or you know what? I guess we could just copy it from this from now on. We can. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's supposed to be an interface, and I think what we can do is just try to replace this with the projects and see if that works. I know this won't work the first time because there will be error, but let's check it out first. I know it won't work the first time, but gotta see what error comes up. Because why not? Let's X this. Can I? Just without that. Like I want a music to play, but no need to do that. God damn it. Okay. Let's see what error do we have here. Because it's not showing or loading anything. Okay, fuck. Sorry. What do you guys think? I think it looks okay. It's not exactly as I intended it to be. Like if it's scrolling, it's not that good. But I think it's fine. I think it looks fine. I don't know. Maybe it looks shitty on the outside, but to other people, but it's okay. The left button for some reason does not work. So, god damn it. Why is it not working? Wait. No wonder. Oh my god. Thank you. I don't know. I feel like it needs something to be more polished and more like an official website, but what do you think? I hope it looks okay. I I hope it looks okay. I think I'm going to present it to the people after this, but we'll see. Two is enough. I don't want it too big between the previous works and then the Polaroid. Okay, let's see. Let's turn off the orbit controls for oops. Should I make it lower just so that I wouldn't see this? Oop. Okay, I need to make this. I need to make the projects into a motion.diff. I need to import motion from Framer Motion because ja, es ist richtig. Und die nächste Schritt ist, ja, lass uns diese oh, that looks okay. That looks pretty good, I think. I don't know. I hope it looks okay. I think I still feel like I need to polish this into better. The button needs to be better. Okay, maybe we can add like a y like 25 and the delay we can make it a bit shorter. Okay, no, actually a bit longer. So we can do 0.7. Okay, I want the. Can I put the Polaroid component? Can I do that? Okay, no, I cannot do that because Polaroid component. Okay. Okay, what I want to do is I'm gonna wrap this component in another. I'm gonna wrap it in another motion.diff. Yeah, and let's not make this motion.diff. We can erase that. Oh, what did we do? Okay, shite. Yeah. Well, what I want to do was make this into motion.h1. And what we can do is fudge brownies. Yeah, let's do that. It's a bit too high, so I think what we want to do is say that's like, is there any like 12? Oh, okay, our previous work. Oops. Why is the music stopping? Is there something wrong with the signal or Wi-Fi? Okay. Okay, it is not responsive yet, so we'll make sure that this is responsive after this. Definitely not responsive. We'll ask Gemini to make it responsive, I guess. I want to have some space, but I want to reduce this space. I don't know why they... Is it because I put this in a div? Yeah, it's because I put them in a div. So how can I make this closer? Oops. And not as I was expecting, but okay, I guess the size doesn't matter. Okay, I guess 200 pixel times 450 is fine. No need to be the exact same dimension as that. Actually, let's just make this 350 and 200 then. What about 250? I think this looks better. Maybe the image should be a bit wider, right? Yes. Okay. Let's go to the image. Let's do, okay, absolute. Yes. Height, 250. 250, the height is that, so I think we can increase the height to around like maybe 310. Okay. Okay, the video could increase the images for some reason or not. Ah, okay, sorry. Let's make it 300 then. Object fit. It's not object fit. Let's try to remove the object fit and see if that's... Okay, no, it's not. Let's see. Okay, I have no idea how to make the images longer. Or maybe we could, okay, since most photos are that, let's make it the wider type of, let's make it wider than the, rather than the long Polaroid one. There we go. That's much better. There we go. Okay. Maybe the photo height could be like 275? Because the height is that much, yeah. So we can do, it is 275 pixel. Or maybe we can do REMs. What if we change it to REMs? Okay. I think we need the object cover again and rounded MD. Yeah. Okay, maybe just rounded SM. No, just no rounded actually, because that's much better. Now I just need to make sure the images are consistent, because they're not consistent at all here. Okay. Okay, how can we make it? Okay, let's just make it smaller then. To 50. 250. Let's refresh it. There we go. Okay. Why is the delicious food has bigger image where... okay. As a width, we need to make it the same as well. So what we can do is probably... God damn it. It's because I didn't put it that way. God damn it. There we go. Now it's all the same size. Cool. Relatively the same size. I don't like that they're stacked like that. Is it because... I don't mind it. Oop. Actually, I don't. Okay, you know, I don't mind it. It's fine. It looks fine. Okay. Because this one is relative. Okay, I'm gonna ask, how can I make this component? How can I make this project components? Responsive. Could you please apply Ethernet tailwind so that it would still function on both song and beats? Okay, what's next? What is next? Okay, let's just try it. Hopefully Gemini usually knows what it's doing, so let's just hope it's okay for now. Okay. It's lagging because probably I don't have enough memory to open that much apps. Do I have any background tasks that I do not need? No. Okay, only OBS so far. Okay, that's not what I want. God damn it. What is it stopping? What is the music stop? What was that? Oh, I know what's the issue. My earphone is battery ran out. So okay, I'm just gonna use the speaker, and yeah, it's probably not gonna be very. It's not very good. I just realized, yeah, the battery of the headphone ran out. Sorry. Let us. Yeah, I'm gonna charge it later. I guess this is just how I am gonna communicate right now. One second. I'm gonna change the output device to just the speakers. Speakers? Does that work? Why is it not work? Is my internet down? No. What is wrong then? What was it not loading? Okay, I don't know what was that. I hope the microphone doesn't produce feedback, but I'm just gonna turn. I'm sorry. I'm gonna turn off the music right now. So bear with me in silence, my fellow brethren. I just need to figure out how I can make it. It doesn't look centered to me. I don't know why, and it's kind of annoying because I don't know if it's really centered or not. With MX Auto, it's supposed to be centered. It's just that this container, since it's fixed size, I need to make sure that it still works on mobile. So how should we do that? I don't know. Um, it looks like it's tilted to the right, even though maybe it's not, but it looks like it's tilted to the right for me. I guess because this space is empty. Or is there like something wrong with the gift? It's just the margin. Why? Maybe we can make this like... No, okay. 4. Let's just not have a margin Y then. Right. Okay, what I want this to have is that it could be just smaller in size, and that like Okay. Let's see if that's. Let's see if this works. Why is it not loading? Okay, let's try it again. Okay, it was previously working just fine. Now it's not anymore. What have I done here? Okay, yeah. Wasn't it? It was working just fine. Why did it change it again? Okay. H500. Okay, let's try to do that again and see why is okay. How can I make all the images same size? I don't understand. It was working before. Okay. How can I make Is it seriously object cover? What? No, it's not. It's not this. What? Come on. Like, damn. The object cover should make it have same sizes. Why are they the same? Not the same sizes? Huh? Is hate 80% exists? Yeah. Still not? Okay. Let's refresh it. Seriously, what? Isn't the object fit supposed to make them according to that? The the size that I set, which is the 250. Should I just remove this completely then? If it didn't work? No, it's not. What what fucking hell. Why is it over object cover? Use the object cover utility to resize an element contents to cover its container. Use the object contain to resize an element contents to stay contained within its container. That's what I did. It's not contained. What? Please, anyone that understands CSS, my God, I fuck. Am I tripping? Am I missing something? I think I missed something very, very simple that I couldn't realize for some reason. God, I am so sorry. I apologize. Yeah, I have no idea what. It's getting cold now. It's cold today. It's fine. Why is it? What? I don't understand why is it. Why it suddenly became like that. Object cover. Is it because the height is this? Okay, what if I change the height to 200? Okay, okay, okay. Wait. This is 318 pixels times 200. Okay, good. What's the next? Is it because this? I am so confused right now. How? The 200, 318 one. Okay, it's because this image is smaller. This one takes the 200. This one takes the 200. The videos took less than that because I guess this is how it rolls. And okay, okay. I have no fucking idea how this is working. Delicious food. Okay, I'm just gonna. Okay, it's almost 2 hours. I think I am just going to commit this and fix the styling later. Yeah, I have no fucking idea how this is supposed to work, but embedding videos, we need probably going to put some YouTube or Vimeo. Okay. Oh my god. The coffee is not working, by the way. Like, I don't know why. Okay. I don't know why it's not producing anything, but my god, please just work. The coffee is not working, by the way. Like, I don't know why. Okay. Yeah, okay. I think that's it for today. I need to make this more responsive, of course. It looks great so far. I like it. It's just that I'm gonna need the other people's opinion about it. I quite like it. I think rather than like the longer Polaroid, it's more like the wider Polaroid style. I'm gonna put the logo maybe more to the bottom, so it kind of resembles like some sort of a sticker. Probably for this, I will find like a handwritten font, so it would look much more like a handwritten. So yeah, it's more like a how do you call it? Like it's a mixed media. Yeah, just so it's kind of like it's like an analog thing, you know. I don't know if that description makes sense or not, but yeah, I guess that was the idea. Damn, this took 2 hours to create. I still have so much things to learn. So I think I'm gonna I'm gonna need to do this for quite a while because I don't know if any if any employer would want me if simple things like this took 2 hours. But I don't mind. Actually, it's pretty refreshing. I quite like it. I just need to make it more responsive. And probably input some of real work of the agency. Ja, das sieht gut an. Okay, I'm hungry. I'm gonna start lunch, but thank you for tuning in for the 14th day or 15th day. It's already been 2 weeks now, so that's cool. But oh my god, yes, Rajib, thank you very much for tuning in. Good stream indeed. Yeah, let me know if it's good or if you have any recommendation that I should do. I really want to make this disappear when I scroll to the next section, so it would be much cleaner. But I think I'll do that tomorrow. This looks okay for me. I will ask the other team's opinion as well. But yeah, let's commit this and then let's end the stream here. Let's do that. Add projects component still needs to be responsive. If I could type. Yeah, okay. Once again, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. I hope you have a fantastic day. Thank you very much for the attention and the for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow again in coding every day until I get a job. Bye bye.